I'll guide you through the official WhatsApp method to recover your old account without your original SIM card, bypassing the need to call your carrier. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. First, if your phone was stolen, open your email and write to support@whatsapp.com, including your number in full international format to request temporary deactivation for security. Now, open WhatsApp on your new device and enter your old phone number. Tap Next to confirm the number you wish to recover. Wait for the SMS verification to fail, as you do not have the SIM card. The app will prompt you for the 6-digit two-step verification PIN. Tap the Forgot PIN link at the bottom of the screen. Tap Send Email to trigger the recovery process, which uses the pre-registered email address tied to your account. Open your email client and locate the message from WhatsApp. This email contains the reset link, which is the key security step. Follow the link in the email and tap Confirm to authorize the reset. Return to WhatsApp and tap Forgot PIN again, then tap Reset to immediately clear the old PIN. You'll now be logged into your account. Confirm the on-screen prompt to restore your chat history, which relies on your iCloud or Google Drive backup. Complete the registration and set a new two-step verification PIN to secure your recovered account. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.